Welcome everybody. You're in my art room tonight and I am doing a reverse dip. I'm just getting my white paint spread. It's Liquitex Basics and a bit of Artist Loft, and I've mixed it 3-to-1. So 1 part paint, 3 parts floetrol. Don't make your paint too thin. It needs to run off your stick and make a mound in the cup when you let it off your stick. All the paint's colors also, and background. Okay, so I'm putting down my first row. It's Prussian Blue by Winsor Newton. The next color is Blue Violet by Liquitex Basics, and Liquitex Basics Gold. And then this is my Rust-Oleum White Pearl Metallic. I like to put it over the dark color. Seems to work better. It gives those little cell effects because it's a metallic and it's on a dark color, I think. And it's also transparent, the Prussian Blue. Some more metallic on top of the blue, the Prussian Blue. Bit of gold and white in the middle. think I'll put some more dark around the outside, or actually in the second line there. Put some more dark, kind of sink. Okay, I got my napkin. I'm going to spray it with some water from my spray bottle. Not a lot. Lay it gently over. It doesn't make a lot of air bubbles with this. You don't have to tap. Don't tap very hard. Just gentle. Okay, you take each corner, opposite corners, lift it up, straight up. Take the other corner and do the same, and try and lift it straight up. Keep it centered as much as you can. There, I like it. You can see where the little bubbles are around where the metallic was. I'll get my torch and torch out the air bubbles and bring out some more cells. If you like this video, please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell for notifications for when I do more. Make sure you hit all. A little drop down will open up. There you go. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Thanks for watching. Stick my finger in the middle just to give it a little cute little center. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.